actually every party are doing their decision. They are talking, and on that bill, whatever the party stand is very clear, and our MPs, whatever they are saying, everywhere the protest, whenever we are talking, Congress is talking anything, BJP is protesting strongly, and they are making their own way to make a Hindu Rashtra. So their only agenda is to make India a Hindu Rashtra. For that, whatever decision they are taking in Lok Sabha, because they are big in numbers, and now we are also strong as opposition, and we have raised our points. So if they are doing against dharna, or we obviously will sit in front of the parliament or doing some protest, or where should we get to say our own views, because we are not getting time inside the parliament to talk about our views, so we are coming outside.
But Kerala Catholic Bishop Council have also taken a strong stand on this. They have asked Congress leaders to support Waqf bill.
Yes, Congress decision will be taken in AICC अधिवेशन, which is on 8th and 9th. Before that, obviously Congress will take decision in Delhi. So I am just rushing to Delhi. We have all been called. So after going over there, we will
Waqf
get
bill is in today Parliament, no?
yeah, in the parliament, the bill, whatever is coming out, what is the outcome, then according to that we will set our ideas, and we are all rushed. That is what I came
So
here
the final
early and
decision is
doing.
not yet taken.
No, Congress, inside the parliament, obviously the decision has been taken. What is the party stand? What will we do for the next thing? That has to be taken. That decision has to be taken.
So as of now, on Waqf bill, what is Congress stand?
Yes, our stand is to going against it. We are raising our voice, but obviously they should understand that it is not a sake of going against. There should be some criticism which is a positive criticism, which will make our nation more secular. That has to be taken. That has to BJP should understand that point also. So what we are saying, we are talking because not going against any religion or any caste or any community. We are Congress is always there as a secular party, and we want to be a secular party, and we want a secular nation also.